These nerfs were a long time coming. Hey guys, Trife here, back again with an absolute banger. If you don't know, recently a balance patch came out that buffed and nerfed a bunch of styles, and in that balance patch, charge got gutted to the point that it no longer has any bonus counter resistance. Its ability now charges based on hits landed, and the biggest nerf, the opponent's stamina now begins to regenerate slightly earlier after stampede. Furthermore, the stamina regeneration is not interrupted by dashing for a short period after it begins to regenerate. This basically makes it so that charge is no longer a stat demon that takes no damage and deals a crap ton of damage. It also doesn't have the ability to set up insane combos where you can land like 3 M2s back to back, completely true with no way of escaping. And now the stampede ability is actually pretty hard to get reliably. This brought down charge from an ST style that destroys pretty much everyone and everything with zero competition to an AT, maybe BT style that actually requires some sort of brain power to use instead of just stat checking everything and being superior in every way solely because you have better numbers than your opponent. Which was the problem with charge, its numbers were just absolutely insane with the counter resistance along with how absolutely crazy the reward was off a stampede. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and join the Discord down below. And of course, massive shout out to the 8 members of the Trife channel: Cool Guy Flunker, Arlaws, Brownoy, Lil Z, Mercenary, Valerie, Booby, and Audrix.
喉元に突き立ててくれる。俺の拳で決める。